So good morning to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Adani Power Share. So we know that today the stock has performed very well and it has reached the 126 rupees region with almost 20% positive movement. So previously when you discussed about Adani Power near the 100 rupees region, so clearly I explained the complete technicals and I told that in short term the stock will try to go 120 and 125 rupees plus. So today it has achieved those targets and we'll do the next set of analysis and we'll see what would be the next support and resistive regions. So all the stocks that we have discussed on a regular basis, all of them are performing very well. So if you have joined the Telegram, so you might be knowing, so I'm updating each and everything, the stocks which we are discussing. So how much movement they're giving, so what would be the targets, each and everything I'm trying to clarify. So if you're enjoying the video, so do like it. And if you have not yet subscribed the channel, so definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so coming to Adani Power, so we know that when it has come near the 105, 110 rupees region, so clearly when you have done the volume analysis, so there itself we are getting a confirmation that the volumes are increasing, followed by deliveries which are being taken on a regular basis, so they were also spiking up. So when that much confirmation was present, so that's why I discussed almost in two videos that if you want to buy, then you need to focus near the 105, 110 rupees region. That is for if you want to do any short-term trading or if you want to go for long term, so I've suggested in that particular region. So same, whatever the technicals that we have discussed, the stock is also following that. And today we have observed that many stocks have changed their upper circuit. So due to the new SEBI margin rules, so obviously, heavy volumes have been generated in few stocks. So especially the stocks which were having 5% upper circuit, so some of them have got converted into 10% and few have got converted into 20% upper circuit. So on that particular note itself, today huge volume has been generated in Adani Power and you can see currently it is trading near the 125 rupees region. So now let's do the quick technical analysis and we'll see what would be the next immediate targets that we can see in the coming sessions. And if you want to have any fresh entry, so what would be the support region also we'll try to understand. Okay, so we are back onto the technical charts and you can see this is the 1 week chart of Adani Power and you can see currently it has almost hit the upper circuit of 126 rupees level and you can see with 19.39% positive movement. So when you see the technical chart, so clearly I explained all the pivot resistances that the stock is facing and you can see the same 112 rupees region what we discussed in the previous videos on Friday. So today it has given opening above or in that particular region itself and you can see obviously the volume has been generated. So opening it has given around 6 to 7%. So immediately in the Telegram I have put the photo and I've told that you can watch it and many people have messaged me in Instagram also regarding that and they are also having some very good profits. I'm happy for that. So since now it has hit the 126 rupees region, so ultimately next levels would be 130 plus, so that we need to focus. And coming to what is the support region, so obviously support region first would be near 120. After that, as usual, you can focus near the 115 rupees region. So these are going to be the support regions in the weekly time frame. And if you go a little bit down and if you see money flow index, so that is in the 80 region itself. So today very good volume has been seen, so change in upper circuit followed by huge volume which obviously we don't see in Adani Power, so that has been generated. Okay, so when we go to 1 day chart, so there clearly you can see how well the stock was taking the support near the 50-day exponential moving average. So basically Adani Power follows moving averages very well. So this point I have explained almost 50 to 60 times in every video that I discuss in Adani Power. I keep telling put moving averages like 50-day as well as 200. So whenever Adani Power is approaching 50, just go for buying. So that is what I tell. So same thing in the last 3 to 4 sessions also, after touching the 50-day exponential moving average, clearly you can see it is a green line. So from there only it has started retracing, and today also you can see almost 2 pivot resistance the stock has directly hit, and you can see currently the next levels are 130 plus. So support regions, again I'm telling you, focus near the 118 if you want to have any entry, because we have seen today huge momentum. So will it continue that? We can't justify that, but if it continues, definitely you can expect 130 plus, and if you want to have any fresh entry, you can focus near the 118 followed by 115. So these are in daily time frame. So completely you can focus all the levels that I have discussed. And money flow index, you can see it is near 76 in daily time frame. So still it has not gone to overbought region. So further momentum may also be seen in the coming sessions. So we know basically Adani stocks, whenever they give the momentum, so they go in a full swing. So basically all the stocks of Adani, we know they used to be at very low levels, from where few stocks have gone even around 1000 rupees plus, like Adani Gas, so whatever, Adani Greens, all these stocks, how much momentum they have given. So don't worry about that. So if you want some very good decent returns, just follow the technicals and invest at the right regions with decent quantity. And if you're having any doubt, you can message me in the comment section, and in Instagram also I'm trying to reply to maximum comments, so that's why they are also very happy. So you can also ask the doubt, so don't keep it within inside you, because you will also lose the confidence. So once you clarify your doubts, you will also have 100% clarity that I can hold it for a certain period of time. Okay, so these are the levels. So today it has given very good move, so try to focus the technicals and then only invest. So do follow the other stocks which we are discussing, so there also you can get some very good returns. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.